The Apple II computer had a floating point interpreter known as AppleSoft Basic, which Microsoft wrote. Microsoft also wrote a compiler for AppleSoft Basic known as TASC, the AppleSoft Compiler, a really creative name. The person who wrote the AppleSoft compiler was a student and came and wrote it while at Microsoft, spent a summer working on it, didn't quite finish, and had to go back to school. But that's fine. The next summer, he came back out, ready to continue and pick up the project where he left off, except he didn't remember how any of it worked. The problem was that the AppleSoft compiler was itself written in AppleSoft, so it was a self-hosting compiler. It was used to compile itself. But the Apple II only had 48 kilobytes of memory, or 64 kilobytes if you added the language card, but AppleSoft didn't know how to use it, so let's just call it 48. In order to get the program to fit, he had to delete all the comments, and he had to shorten the names of all the variables to like 1 or 2 characters, where like the most important variables only had 1-letter names. And that made it very hard for him to figure out what all of his variables meant and how the program worked. Somehow, he managed to figure it all out in time to at least finish the project. And so the AppleSoft compiler, TASC, did eventually ship, although really nobody understands how it works anymore.